The Daily Code Snippet. Let's look at MP3 first because it is the most common audio file. It is relatively large in comparison to other formats. It has a lossy compression, so degrades with editing, but it can be encoded at either a constant or variable bitrate. A constant bitrate ensures the same quality throughout, while a variable bitrate will save on size by changing during quieter or silent moments in the audio. AAC stands for Advanced Audio Coding. Like MP3, AAC is lossy, but the original AAC file is of much better quality than other formats. Similar to MP3, it can be recorded at a constant or variable bitrate. AAC is also open source and does not have the royalty fees associated with MP3. You often see AAC with iTunes, but also with gaming devices. OGA files are open source, like the OGG video format. It uses lossy compression and a variable bitrate to help with file size, but overall sound quality remains high and even tends to be better than MP3. The main problem for OGA is that it is not as compatible with other programs as MP3, so it limits its use. Use any one of these lossy compression formats when you don't need perfect audio quality, plan on sharing via the web, or need to conserve space on your storage device. Over the years, the quality of lossy compression has improved such that most people really cannot tell the difference. Although you will probably not use lossless compression formats for the web because of their size, it is useful to be aware of these as well. Apple uses the .m4a format to be equivalent to .mpeg4 video. M4a is lossless with decent quality in a smaller file size. .flac, or Free Lossless Audio Codec, is open source with an efficient compression algorithm that can reduce file size 50 to 70% from the original. Audiophiles use this format to store their music collection in a high-quality format. The open source format makes it compatible with many devices and programs. .pcm, aka pulse code modulation, is used for CDs and DVDs and is an audio format that is uncompressed. .wav stands for Waveform Audio File Format, is a wrapper format for .pcm to make it more compatible for Windows computers. Similarly, .aiff, aka Audio Interchange File Format, is a wrapper format for .pcm but for use for Mac computers. These are uncompressed formats. So just to reiterate, you choose the right audio format depending on what you are planning to do with your audio. You want a format that has the quality you require but nothing extra, because this will increase file size and make your file difficult to manage, share, and convert. Audio professionals will want to use uncompressed formats that will maintain the audio quality no matter how many times you edit and save the file. Export a compressed format that may be lossy for distribution but retain your original uncompressed file. Audiophiles will want to maintain their collections in a lossless format that uses less space than uncompressed formats, but still maintains the quality of the original recording. Presented by Designers Learn Code.